Good morning. It is Thursday morning, and we're going scrapping. Oh, wait a minute. Did I just say we're? Oh, yeah. We're going scrapping. See that smile on her face? You know that's good stuff then. We're finishing up spring break today and tomorrow. And she wants to go scrapping. I was going to go metal detecting today. She's like, I'm like, what do you want to do?
Oh my gosh.
I want to go dive.
I didn't say that. I said I want to go dumpster diving.
You didn't say dumpster diving. She said dive.
I didn't say that.
I was like, oh, you want to go dumpster diving? Yeah, I want to go get metal.
I didn't say that.
Let's go get metal. She said that.
No.
We'll be back. All right, we are getting ready to pull up to our first dumpster. After she's chowing down on this ham and cheese sandwich over here that I just got her. That's our brunch for today, since it's like 10:30 already.
And I got cheddar cheese sprinkles.
Oh, and cheddar cheese sprinkles, and we got cherry Slurpees, or ices, or frosties, whatever you call them, whatever state you're in. Where I'm originally from, they're called Slurpees. Down here, they don't call them now. What do they call them down here?
Ices.
Is it icy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that name. I like a Slurpee. All right.
Don't do the noise.
We're gonna pull up to the dumpster here.
I'm not even done. I'm like halfway done with this.
You can put it down and come back to it.
No.
Scrapping.
Eating is more important.
All right. Yeah, right. I'm gonna back up to this dumpster and we're gonna see what we get.
They probably don't even know you.
All right, I'll get back with you. As she sits here and crunches on these chips, we're making out. We're getting a bunch of electrical panels right now. And there's got copper inside them too, so look at this. We got some copper, but I'm gonna go get more. And I believe some stainless steel. Yes!
Ooh, metal. I told them I found metal on the ground. We have this little plug-in thingy. Oh my gosh, come on, people.
Move, please. Come on, Noelle. Get with the program.
Dusty.
All right. And we haven't even been in the dumpster yet, and I have seen metal in the dumpster. Let's get some more. Yay! Yay for us.
Hey. We just got, oh my gosh, you can't even see that. A lot of metal that I'm going to be picking up, and he's going to be throwing out. So, let's do this. Metal. Have a lot of that stuff. The box. I'm done with the side. I'm done with the side. Okay. A dumpster still, but I have a lot of metal, especially the stuff that he has a lot of metal out there, and then we have a lot of metal in here, especially the stuff we put in for the wires. Yeah, so we have a lot of metal.
Okay.
You want me to show them?
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, I'm going to show you what my dad just threw out of the dumpster, which is actually a lot. Really good grip. Okay. We got this. Got all that so far into the van. And we got all of that. And he got it. And he still thinks not. So, yes. That's very nice. Plus, we just got all that. And then, in the van, we got, well, in the back, we just got all that. And a few more wires. And, yeah. So, oh, oops. So, yeah. It's bright. Oh my god. Okay, here. And let's see if there's any more in the dumpster. Oh. Yep. It's in the shade now. There he is. Dad, you're just gonna make stuff fall still. And we're still getting stuff over here. Yeah. So, yeah. You're gonna go? Well, yeah. He's still throwing stuff out there. It's kind of weird. Go. Geez, that's a big hole.
Yes, it is.
Do you see that?
I gotta shut off.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we did good. Okay, so we just loaded up the vehicle. Look at this. Wow. Can you say the scrap dream is alive? Yes, it is. All right, well, let's move on to the next, all right? Dumpster right there, I just got one metal stud out of. So that's what we got out of that one. It's actually really full. I'm sure there's a ton more metal in it, but it's definitely covered up. So we're just gonna get on the road, head to some other places that I know I can get metal, and we'll take it from there. Or actually, you know what? We're gonna go drop this off is what we're gonna do, because I know of a stove that I can go get and some long angle iron, if you remember that in the past videos. So let's go drop this off real quick. All right, stay with me and we will be back. You on?
Yeah.
Now we're at the scrapyard. Let's get rid of our stuff. Go ahead and let's put this up front. All right. Solid core wire in there.
how much we still have. It's actually not a lot. And that's how much we still have to do. You ever be too much? This is going faster than the other day. Now this is how much we have. We still got all that, but then we filled it up that much. So, yeah, we're doing good. Ew, what was that?
Dirty water or something. Okay. Get in here. One way or another, I'm getting in here. Don't try this at home, kids.
I will. Don't try what at home.
Whatever I do.
Ah! So they can't go scrapping? Ooh. You got that other pole, or did you already get the other pole out?
I need to go get the cutters and get this wire out.
Oh. Do you want me to get it?
Yeah, oh. Hold on. Yeah, go get them real quick. They're up front.
Okay. Well, now we're going on an adventure to get his pliers. Okay, we got them. You get it. We, me, and these. Okay, here you go. I tried. Okay.
All right, I'll give you. You get these, and you get that. Put those in that box. That's not solid. That's stranded.
Oh. Okay, well, they're in the box. Oh, you bent that pole. He bent that.
Yes.
Oh, it's
Stranded.
stranded. That goes in the box, right?
That goes in the box.
Oh, well. We have all this stranded wire. Copper, actually. And that's going to be stranded too, I already know.
Nope.
Oh, it's not?
This is solid core.
Okay. Why are you keeping this solid?
I'm keeping it solid and stranded.
Why?
Because I got more wire at the storage unit.
Oh. What are you doing?
All right, that's it.
No, it isn't. You got that pole.
Yeah, I know. Go ahead and shut her off.
Oh.
Okay, we'll be back with the totals in just a minute. All right, so we got our money. We got $14 and 64 cents. Yay. So we had 244 pounds in the back of this van. Can you believe that? And at 6 cents a pound, it paid $14.64. So we're gonna go grab my storage keys out of the other car, and we're gonna head out towards Nashville, where I know there's a stove and that angle iron that you remember seeing in that past video. Hopefully they're still there, and we will snatch them up and get them back over here. And then we're going to go to the storage unit and pick up all that stuff over there and combine all the copper wire and stuff together. I didn't turn in the copper right now because I know I have more. So
you on the east side.
Don't listen to it. Don't listen to that. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in a little bit, and we'll keep scrapping. Alright, so we've got another dumpster right here at a house. So let's go get in it. So we got this dumpster right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go dig and then see what we can get. All right, here we go. Hold on, right back here, girl.
Carrying a rail is the hardest thing to do. Literally how to carry, you're like railing. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Get in there, oh my gosh. Woo! I got it. Got my hands.
So we got the front porch railings. It's kind of cool.
Shirt keeps on going up on me because it's crop top.
that's all we got for now. There's a crap load of stuff in there, so until the next dumpster, guys. So we didn't get much out of there, but that front railing to the front door, stuff's heavy.
I told them.
So, you told them what? That's great. Just got to reiterate from the little kids, right? That's right. All right, let's go on to the next. So we just pulled up to another dumpster. This one I got some copper out of, but I don't think I got this on video. I don't remember. This was a few days ago, 4 or 5 days ago or something. But let's see what they got right now. As soon as I shut the door. All right. Yeah, don't worry about that stuff. All right, so we're gonna open this dumpster up and get some copper wire out of it. So, be back with you in a second. Copper. Let's see what we got.
There's a cord behind you.
Yeah, I know. Well, let's put this copper right there. Oh, here's some aluminum wire. We'll take that. Bare aluminum.
You want me to go put it in the van?
Just maybe.
Okay. It stinks in here.
Because of this trash.
Oh. Okay, well, just got metal. Oh, geez. It's a lot.
We're getting it. Don't.
I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna go sit this down. Okay. Dang it, it's empty box. Do you want me to put the cord by yourself?
That's alright.
It's cord. Okay.
Okay.
That it?
Yep. Plus that. Yeah, I ain't worried about the cord. Let's go.
There's metal. Just metal right here.
Huh?
There's metal. Do you want me to get it?
Hold on.
Do you want me to show them what we got? We got this handful right here. And then there's metal right here. This. Sorry.
No.
No? Okay. Oh. Why is there rocks here?
Here.
Well. Can I, you know?
There we go. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
All right. More wire. Yay. And
The bars.
the bars and that aluminum wire over there.
That's.
Good stuff. All right. So it's lunchtime. So what do scrappers And junior scrappers do when it's lunchtime. This is what they do. They go to Jersey Mike's to eat. That's right. We're going to Jersey Mike's. We're gonna pull behind this Planet Fitness and see if our stove and angle iron is still there. Hopefully it is. So we can turn it in for some cash.
And I get half.
Alright, let's see. Let's see. I'll be kind of bummed if it's not, but what do you do? Ooh, excuse me. Oh. I think somebody got to our angle iron. You gotta be kidding me. It was right here on the other side of this curb. Dang. Yep, somebody got it. And the stove is gone. Jeez! It was right here behind these dumpsters. Cute little doggy. Darn it. Well, we missed out on a bunch of scrap. I'm a week too late. I mean, we couldn't help it. I didn't have access to a bigger vehicle. Bummer. Guess that's the way it is. All right, well, never mind on getting that scrap. Just drove out here for nothing. All right, we'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, well, I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me today and going to places that I did. Didn't get to do much in. Time flies fast when you're doing stuff, I tell you what. But I had to hurry up and go home and switch vehicles and get my kiddos. Whoop. Right there. One sleeping, one not. She'll be knocked out here in a few. But, so yeah. Just, thanks for being here today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we got much more to do come next week. And I have my daughter down here from Indiana, which I'm leaving, probably in about 11 hours to go get. It's 4:22 p.m. right now. I'm leaving about 3 in the morning. And I'll be back here Saturday night in Tennessee. And then we'll start making some more videos next week. And then next weekend, we move into our house. Can't wait. Can't wait. So, all right. From until then, you guys just keep doing the awesome thing in life, and we'll see you soon. Love y'all.